In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or record audio narration to slides in Microsoft PowerPoint. Whether you're adding background music, voiceover instructions, or a narrated presentation, I'll walk you through the essentials so your audio plays exactly the way you want. First, let's add an existing audio file to a slide. With your presentation open, head to the Insert tab at the top of PowerPoint, select Audio, and then choose Audio on my PC. This tells PowerPoint you're bringing in a file you already have. In the file picker that opens, browse to your audio track. MP3 and WAV are the most common, and both work well. When you've selected the file you want, click Insert. You'll see a small speaker icon appear on your slide, which represents the audio you just added. Now let's fine-tune how that audio behaves. Click the audio icon to select it, and a playback tab will appear in the ribbon. This is where you control when and how your sound plays. If you want the audio to begin as soon as the slide appears, choose Start Automatically. If you prefer to trigger it yourself during the presentation, pick On Click. For continuous audio that carries through multiple slides, like background music, turn on Play Across Slides. That way, it won't stop when you advance. Finally, adjust the volume to a comfortable level. Aim for a setting that's loud enough to hear clearly, but not so loud that it overpowers your content or any live speaking you plan to do. If you don't already have an audio file and want to record narration directly in PowerPoint, there's a quick option per slide. Go back to Insert, choose Audio, and then select Record Audio. When the recording window opens, click the red record button, speak clearly into your microphone, and when you're done, click Stop. Then click OK to insert that recording onto the slide. This is great for slide-by-slide narration because it keeps each message focused and easy to manage. For best results, record in a quiet space. Keep your microphone at a consistent distance and speak at a steady pace so your audio is easy to follow. With these options, adding a file from your computer or recording directly, you can control exactly how your audience hears your message and keep your presentation smooth and professional. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials.